Between 2016 and 2021, 77,000 metric tons of trash was harvested from this river, mostly downstream. That's the equivalent of filling up 400 Boeing 747 with trash. This is the world-famous Klang River. Last year, it was the world's second largest contributor to marine plastic pollution.
The pollution of Klang River is not only caused by the plastic pollution, but also by many things that affected both ecosystems and communities. Due to this, we will discuss about the environmental challenges regarding to the pollution in Klang River. This is our team that have been responsible to discuss about the pollution in the Klang River. We are from Group 4, CEEC2223C3.
Hi everyone, today we will explore the Klang River, a 130km waterway running through Kuala Lumpur and Selangor. While vital to Malaysia's development, urbanization has left it severely polluted due to sewage, industrial waste and urban runoff. Efforts like the River of Life project highlights the river's potential for renewal. Let's dive into recent pollution trends and restoration efforts. From 2016 to 2023, the Klang River's water quality improved significantly. Firstly, for Water Quality Index, which is WQI, from Class 4, severely polluted WQI 45 in 2016 to Class 2B, fit for recreational use by 2022. Next, for dissolved oxygen DO, improved from less than 3 mg per liter in 2015, which is unsuitable for aquatic life, to 4 to 5 mg per liter by 2023, which is supporting fish recovery. Lastly, for chemical oxygen demand, COD reduced from over 100 mg per liter in 2017 to 50 mg per liter New Kuala Lumpur by 2023. Now, let me explain about the impact used cooking oil, which is UCO. The improper UCO disposal worsened pollution by raising COD and blocking waterways. Awareness campaigns and trash booms have cut visible waste by 30%, but better UCO management is still crucial. Now let's move to the responsible authorities, which is the key player include, firstly, government agencies like DOE, LUAS and DBKL overseeing waste management and enforcement. Next, NGOs like GEC and WWF Malaysia leading cleanups and raising public awareness. Sustained action is essential to restore Klang River's ecological balance. I think that is all from me. Thank you, and now I will hand over to Rafiki for the next section.
So next, I will be discussing the critical issue of pollution in the Klang River and its impact on the environment, economy and human health. Industrial waste is a major contributor to pollution in the Klang River. Factories, including those in metal processing, textiles and food production, release raw effluent containing hazardous chemicals like heavy metals, dyes and organic compounds into the river. These pollutants severely degrade water quality and pose a toxic threat to aquatic life. Additionally, wastewater from industry contains solid particles that make the water murky, which can blocking sunlight needed by aquatic plants, which can also disrupt the entire ecosystem. So next, the agricultural sector is also a major contributor to pollution in the Klang River. Runoff from farms that carries fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides into the river can cause to nutrient overload and eutrophication. This triggers harmful algae bloom that reduce water quality. The algae block sunlight, which preventing the photosynthesis in aquatic plants and lowering oxygen levels in the water. Other than that, the pesticide that have been discharged can contaminate the water, making it toxic to aquatic life and was very risk to human health if being consumed. So next, I will discuss about the most significant source of pollution that impacted the Klang River, which is the untreated sewage. The improper waste disposal from domestic areas and restaurants around the Klang River is another major issue. For example, the excessive use cooking oil is often discharged improperly. This happens due to poor management of both domestic and industrial sewage sector. This will cause pathogen contamination in the water and severely impact human health. Additionally, improper sewage treatment also can lead to chemical contamination, making the water toxic for aquatic life, and over time, this also increase the biological oxygen demand (BOD) levels in the water and further harming the ecosystems. Pollution in the Klang River is having a serious impact on the environment, economy and also human health. In terms of environment, the excess nutrients from sewage and industrial waste lead to eutrophication, which causes harmful algae bloom. The sedimentation from polluted runoff are also damaging ecosystems, and this pollution destroys crucial habitats for wildlife, where it can lead to a loss of biodiversity. In terms of economic, the pollution at Sungai Klang also gives a bad effect to the local economy. The fishing business is heavily damaged as fish population drops and towns' water treatment expenditures grow. Polluted waterways can deter visitors and can cause limiting company income, lead to high costs in controlling and manage the river pollution. Other than that, the polluted water offers a significant health concern. The sewage and chemicals in the river can cause waterborne disease, including cholera and typhoid. Long-term exposure to chemicals and pollution can result in cancer and neurological problems to the local.
Yeah, I will be discussing the integrated mitigation measures proposed for River Klang, focusing on how this measure align with Sustainable Development Goals 6 and 11. River Klang, a vital waterway in Malaysia, faces a severe pollution due to urbanization, industrial discharge, and untreated wastewater. Addressing this challenge requires a holistic approach that incorporates physical, chemical, and biological measures. First, let's look at physical measures. Short-term action include the community-led river clean-up to remove solid waste. Long-term, we need to establish waste collection and recycling center to turning used cooking oil waste into the biodiesel, reducing its impact on the environment. Chemical measures are essential for immediate and long-term pollutant control. Short-term, we propose using a coagulant and enzymatic treatment to reduce used cooking oils and the suspended particle in the critical area. Long-term, absorption technology using activated carbon can be integrated into the wastewater treatment plant to remove organic and metal pollutant effectively. Biological measures offer the sustainable solution. In the short term, phytoremediation using a fast-growing aquatic plants can be absorb pollutant. Long term, we envision reconstructing wetlands that use the diverse plant species for the natural filtration. Additionally, bioaugmentation with the beneficial microbes can help break down the organic pollutant. In conclusion, the proposed integrated mitigation measures for the River Klang will not only improve our water quality, but also contribute to the healthy ecosystem and more sustainable urban development. This measure aligns with the SDG6, which aim for the clean water and sanitation by improving water quality and treatment. They also support SDG 11, which is focused on the sustainable cities by reducing environmental impact and improving urban living conditions. Addressing the used cooking oil, pollution in the River Klang through the integrated physical, chemical, and biological measures will improve water quality, support aquatic life, and contribute to the sustainable urban living. Collaboration among the government, communities, and industry is the key achieving this goal.
Next, I will talk about the creative public awareness campaign. So here is the sample of the poster that we use for the awareness. The theme we choose is Save Water, Save Life. Because by saving water, we protect both our planet and our life, ensuring a sustainable and healthier future. In the poster, we highlight three main points, which is the effect of water pollution to environment, human health, and action can be taken to reduce pollution. Water pollution harms both of environment and human health. It disrupts aquatic ecosystem, causes biodiversity loss, trigger algal blooms, and release greenhouse gases that contribute to the climate change. For humans, polluted water spread disease like cholera and contaminates food through irrigation and causes health issues such as skin rashes and respiratory problem. To combat water pollution, we can conserve water, reduce chemical use, and limit single-use plastic. Proper disposal of cooking oil and supporting clean water initiative like community clean-up and sustainable farming also an impactful step. Clean water is vital for achieving sustainable development goals, which is SDG 6 and SDG 11, ensuring sanitation and resilient communities. Together, we can protect our water resources and create a better future. Not to forget, we will spread awareness by displaying the poster in key areas of faculty building and sharing it online through social media and the faculty's website. This combined approach ensure greater reach and encourage collective action to protect water resources and promote sustainability.
This part, we are going through about innovative solution for water pollution control. The first one is Smart Neutralizing Water System. Smart Neutralizing Water System is the system that uses drones to track water quality of river by pH sensor. So, how it is work? The drone will fly automatically on the route that have been set in the system. When drone fly over the river, it will scan the pH of the river by using the pH sensor. If pH of water meet the requirement of the standards, automatically it will spray or spill the chemical to neutralize the water. Next is Hybrid Water Filter System. This water filter system is a comprehensive filter system designed to provide safe and purified water throughout our facility or our home. There are three stages of filtration. First is sediment filtration that captures large particles such as dirt, sand, and rust. Next, activated carbon filtration will reduce chlorine, bad testers, odors, and organic chemicals to improve overall quality of water. Last stages are UV sterilization. The water will be exposed to the UV light that can eliminate 99% of bacteria and viruses without using chemicals. floater trash interceptor are cutting-edge devices designed to capture and remove floating waste from waterways. The interceptor will be placed at key locations. Trash is directed towards the interceptor's collection mouth by using floating barriers. The garbage will be lifted into onboard storage by using conveyor belts. Once it is full, the waste will be moved to recycling or disposal facilities. The last is smart trash collector on discharge. This system is modernized idea from traditional method which are net on drainage. When the trash float in the discharge pipe before getting into the river, there is mesh net that will trap the trash. IR sensor will detect how full trash in the net. When IR sensor meet the requirement, AI bots will tie the net and put the trash into the provided place. In the process of tying, the end of the discharge pipe will automatically close using a net or grill to ensure the water can flow and the trash will block from coming out of the discharge pipe. The net will replace after completely empty. So that's all from us. Thank you.